打死不唱的歌哦，中文版类梦吧。
那一天的犹豫，犹豫起来。
I think more women should be like that.
Is there any folklore in your country?
I mean, we have like, have you heard of
VTuber 这个职业每天都要对着无数网友说话，也有很多主播为了积极和同行合作，常常需要进行高强度的网络社交活动。像这样在网络上招挑的职业，社交能力是不是一定很高，很会装熟嘞？为了验证这个假说，阿慧今天就到路上抓一些 VTuber 来访问看看吧。首先，我们访问到这位非常紧张的女子，请问你会紧张吗？
我很紧张。
你是第一次被街访？
对，
那你可以介绍一下你自己吗？
我叫柠檬一只，是个从森林被逐出家门的妖精。对，现在正在外面打工中。
我可以问你为什么会被逐出家门吗？
因为我太直男了。
真的假的？你有什么直男事迹吗？
就是人家可能找我说什么啊，我好难过，我刚分手哦，不，然后我就说多喝热水。
希望你也可以这样对待你的观众，我觉得有些人应该会喜欢啦。
他们应该蛮喜欢的。
你吃章鱼烧都加什么口味的粉？
章鱼烧，我之前会加海苔粉，但是我最近迷上了梅子粉。梅子粉很赞，很赞。
真的，
葱油饼也加，葱油饼也要加梅子粉。
葱油饼也可以加哦。
对啊，很好吃，你可以试试看，很好吃。
我前面访问到一堆人，我都跟他们推荐章鱼烧加梅子粉，他们都觉得莫名其妙。
我是第一个吗？
好像是哦，你好像是第一个反过来推荐我加梅子粉的。
超爱梅子粉。
那你吃鸡排会加梅子粉吗？
我吃鸡排，我没有很喜欢吃炸的。
真没口福。那你会吃柠檬吗？
吃了会寂寞。
为什么呢？
那一天的犹豫，犹豫起来；那一天的寂寞，寂寞起来。
蛮忧郁的，谢谢。
不客气。
你会唱台语歌吗？
不会，我台语很破。我是雷梦，你好。
我是花季，你好。
你好，你好。
耶
耶！
真欢喜会当甲你访问。
我也很开心。
谢谢。请问你会怕尴尬吗？
还好欸。
好，那就好。接下来这只戴眼镜的狸猫好像对垃圾桶有点心得，请问你的主要收入来源是什么呢？
阿莹有时候会去翻人类的垃圾桶。
垃圾桶里面你有比较特别喜欢翻到什么东西吗？
大家吃不完的鸡排之类的。
那还
好吃耶。
那还蛮浪费的。
其实蛮多的耶。有的女生可能跟男朋友出去啊，然后说亲爱的，我吃不完这个耶。好了，宝贝，我们不要吃了，把它丢掉。
请问你有其他狸猫朋友吗？
阿莹只有崇拜的狸猫朋友，这样算吗？阿莹超喜欢狸屋的。
那你最近可以去翻翻看他的垃圾桶，里面可能会有蚂蚁，就是可以吃的蚂蚁。
真的吗？想吃。
好，那我帮你跟他说。
谢谢。
请问你遇过最奇怪的观众要求是什么呢？
希望我唱关台歌。Every time。
所以你是有关台歌的
没有固定，但就是唱歌就叫关台歌。
那他们会点歌吗？
棉花糖有收到过，但就是阿颖还是看自己练什么就唱什么。
阿颖有什么打死不唱的歌吗？
打死不唱的歌哦，中文版类梦吧。
那一天的犹豫，犹豫起来。
那我蛮推荐可以听听看台语版的，有一个叫博胜的人好像很厉害，他10年前出了 Let It Go 的台语版，那时候好像蛮红的。
阿颖也超喜欢他。
哇，太好了。
阿颖超爱博胜。
我也是。希望他能看到这支影片。在同样这条巷子，我们好像看到了一张熟悉的面孔。
你怎么确定你现在不是在做梦？
我不确定，可能李武岭是我想象出来的朋友。
对，
所以大家要付我版权费。
对，没错，我是假的。
假离子。
换你了。
你怎么确定到现在为止的一切都不是一场梦？
我会先狠狠的揍我自己，拿棒球棍打我的头。我现在打打看，等我一下。好，我觉得我现在没有在做梦，
那你有流血吗？
没有。
那你头很硬欸，
谢谢。
果然是硬着头皮来当 VTuber 的哦。
真的，我现在硬着头皮在回答街访。
请问你可以分享一个你的怪癖吗？
当 VTuber 没有赚钱，但还是想要当 VTuber，这算怪癖？
还真的蛮怪的。那会有人叫你去找个正职来赚钱吗？
可能会哦。我现在就是尝试让我的捡回收工作变成正职。
所以你现在是工读哦？
对啊，我现在是捡回收工读生，
要怎样才可以升正职？
捡满1000个纸箱，500个沙拉桶，估计之后应该可以顺利当上店长。
哇，好大尾哦！
对，这整个企业只有我一个人。
太好了。请问你会咬吸管吗？
我会耶，我超爱咬吸管，而且我是不只有喝饮料会咬，我会把它整根抽出来横着咬，就是让它整根变扁，再丢掉。因为我觉得咬那个就是感觉牙齿会变健康。
那牙医有夸奖你吗？
有啊，对，但我不确定是不是咬吸管造成。
谢谢。
蛮推荐可以咬吸管。
那你会咬蟋蟀吗？
我会，我还蛮喜欢咬蟋蟀的。那你喜欢咬蟋蟀吗？
还不错欸，我发现蟋蟀还蛮好吃的。那你觉得 VTuber 适合跟 VTuber 交往吗？
我觉得不适合因为我现在就是在跟一个 R 开头的 VTuber 交往，有时候我会梦不到他。
哦，因为你们有时差，所以你要睡觉的时候才见得到他吗？
对啊，然后他睡觉的时候还见得到我，但是没有同时睡觉就见不到。
有梦想睡。刚刚的装熟好像都还蛮成功的，不知道如果换成讲英语的 VTuber， 阿慧还可以成功装熟吗？这位来自英国的小姐好像对民间传说很有想法。Is there any folklore in UK?
Oh, tons. Absolutely tons. Like it's hard to like figure out which folklore comes from like which place though, like when you're told it all from a young age. Like, you know, you got like Hansel and Gretel, but I think that's from somewhere else. You get bombarded with all this stuff and you're just like, which ones? Which ones was I can't think of any at the top of my head that is exclusively British. You know, we had the whole Viking invasion and all that. I don't think this counts as folklore. I think this is just history, but
How about King Arthur? Does that count?
yes, I think that counts. Yeah. Was it The Sword and the Stone? Yeah. That's it. That's folklore. I'm sure Disney, they did a whole movie on it.
Oh, do you know the game called Fate Grand Order?
Okay. So I only know about this series because I've seen so much hentai of the girls in it. That is all I know. All I've seen is copious amounts of women getting reeled, and yes. I have no idea what it's about, but I appreciate the art, and I think more women should be reeled like that.
Wait. 我们还是来讲点能播的东西吧。So shall we do the how to introduce yourself in Taiwanese?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I love that.
What would you like to tell people when you introduce yourself.
I'd probably say I'm a degen.
So, I am is 我是 Fujoshi is who do.
Furu.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Okay, so you can say 我是 who do.
Guashi. Austria. Guashi. Furu.
I'm gonna tell you something like you can see I have 2 horns. My viewers, they try to like cut off my horns every time.
No.
Yeah,
No. Horns? Horns are
yeah.
important, guys.
yeah.
You know why?
You can use it
For
as a
banner?
handle.
Exactly.
Exactly.
You know, grab it from behind. There you go. There you go, guys.
Yeah,
Mhm.
not necessarily from behind. Like,
No, I was just talking about that subsection of viewers you were talking about.
OK。延续我们富有学术价值的国民外交，最后再来和这位粉红色的朋友交流一下。Is there any folklore in your country?
I mean, we have like skinwalkers. Have you heard of skinwalkers?
Nope, I don't think so.
So basically, it's like so it could be like humans or animals, and they don't know how to like they're not actually like a human or an animal. It's a skinwalker pretending to be one, and so like there will be videos online of like dogs looking really weird at the camera or like acting like humans or something, and then people would be like, "Oh my god, that's a skinwalker." And I don't know what their goal is. I don't know if skinwalkers like try to kill people or whatever, but yeah, the videos that people make are pretty scary. But I don't believe in them. But some people do actually believe in them.
So it's like kind of an urban legend?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. I haven't heard of that before.
Yeah, it's like interesting to look at in like videos and stuff. Yeah, what about you?
In my place, a lot of people believe in Taoism. The gods in Taoism were human before, so they will have like a backstory, like how they became God. I've got I think it's a quite special one, but it's kind of related to history. Like we have been colonized, by Japan before. During the World War II, like the States bombed Japan, and that means including us. And we have a folklore is that one of our goddess will help catch the bombs.
I'm a big bag, so what's your favorite thing to eat, like that you guys make over there?
Like our special food?
Yeah, like it doesn't have to be special, like just something that you enjoy.
Oh, I think we have a thing called breakfast shop, and
Ooh.
it's everywhere, literally everywhere. Yeah, it's cheap, and you don't have to walk for very long, like maybe 5 minutes, and you can see 1 or 2 breakfast shops, and they usually serve like burgers and toasts, sandwiches. Yeah, there's always a lot of options. I think it's a thing we all enjoy, like all Taiwanese people enjoy. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I would love that. I love breakfast food.
It's really cheap to eat out here, so
Oh.
it's like everyone when they are going to work, they just walk by a breakfast shop and they will definitely buy something, like buy a combo. And take that to their workplace and they eat there.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
Cheap and convenient.
早餐店是台湾之光啊. Do you want to learn any Taiwanese or Mandarin?
Yeah. I'll learn a little bit before we go.
Okay. How about we learn about how to say goodbye?
Yes.
Okay. Like in Taiwanese, we say 再会.
再会.
Oh, that's perfect. Because it's a tonal language, so I think it might be not too easy.
Yeah, tonal languages are hard.
Well, but that was amazing.
Thank you. Do you know how to say it in Mandarin as well?
It's a bit different. In Mandarin, we say 再见.
Ooh, that one's hard. 再见.
The 见 may be a bit hard. And also we say bye bye. Okay, so maybe we can call it a day and say bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
请问你最受不了什么样的街访主持人呢？
我最受不了的街访主持人，可能就是街访到一半会突然来一个大风车在地板上转吧。
那你等我一下。
好，真的是受不了呢。
好烦哦。蛮好笑的。
对啊，而且你转好快，又完成了 V 生清单。
没有这个